I just thought, this is a dream come true. It's what I've been thinking about, talking about, the use of a tractor for a limited amount of time with support. This is the answer to my prayers. I have zero experience with a tractor, and that was my hesitation in buying one, because I thought, am I biting off more than I can chew? Can I even use this thing independently? And I'm a little afraid, so I'm really appreciative of the opportunity and the support from Roberts, that I know they're a phone call away and I'm not on my own. This just was a game changer for me. It took me from a wannabe to someone who felt, okay, I can do this. So this is my proudest achievement using the BX. My vegetable garden, which is now massive. I thought I may have overextended myself. I was a little too eager, but we'll see. My learning curve peaked just before I had to give the tractor back. And that's when I felt the most comfortable. If I had to sum up my experience with the tractor, I'd say dream come true. I absolutely loved every minute of owning this Kubota tractor.